Yo, what up, G? Today I'm gonna show you how to get a push to start into neutral. So GMs and Fords both typically do not have a bypass anywhere here on the shifter. However, that is not gonna stop you from being able to get the thing into neutral. Now, GMs and Fords both require power in order for you to get it into neutral. Without it having power, it is not gonna work unless you do something manually underneath the hood or underneath the car itself by shifting the linkage. But this car does have power. It does have power, but it will not start. So this is what you do. As you can see here, it is a push to start, okay? So without your foot on the brake, you do not want to have your foot on the brake. You literally press and hold the push to start button until all of the lights turn on, okay? Once all the lights turn on, then you do like you normally do. Step on the brake, go ahead and grab the shifter, reverse, neutral. That easy, that simple.